this video we move to number 9 of chapter 3, class diagram, discussing about the nodes and the stereotypes which you can add into the diagram. So from this sample, which we will do together, you can see here is nodes. So you can put nodes in on the left, bottom, right, as an isolated node, or you can have a common nodes. These are the nodes we already have the similar behavior tested in the use case diagram. So there's not much difference or the additional things. So you just try to familiarize the syntax. You can put nodes onto your class diagram elements. The secondly is that these stereotypes that you can add above your class name. So that is give you some additional way you can classify or making some additional information transfer to the reader. So let's do this sample together through the demo. So first is let me create R03, 09 PlantUML. And give a title, nodes in class diagram now. So let's look at this. Now you have the, let me make that another preview. We have this empty line, then that will be good. So first is let's examine this. We have our isolated class first. Let's create those class. So first is a class object, class full, and class array list. So we have this one, and another class. Where is this array list? Array list N2 to this one. It's directly used this way to create. You see here. So that is because this relation is dedicated used in class diagram so far. So when you use this relation between two elements, this array list will be treated as a class. So you don't need to explicitly way to define this array list. But the first is we have the object class with our stereotype. So when you make this stereotype, you need to create that into this the class definition, I think. But let's try the second way. So first, I just make this using the default way to create two classes. Using double hash, a double hyphen will be make this bottom up. So then whether I can put a stereotype directly here. So you can see here now is the syntax. So this line 5 is syntax error. So that means is if you want to use a stereotype, you must define this first. So let me make this. Then I should have class with stereotype. Then first is this object will be created as our class, and at the same time we have the stereotype general first, and then we use class and connect to the array list. So, but if I have another array list, so specialized, you can see here after you define the class, now you can use this syntax to now you should not have another class, I believe. So that will be generate arrow. So because you already have the array list in the diagram, so you should directly refer to that, and then you can add the stereotype afterwards. So these three lines give you two type of the ways that you can define a class and then add the stereotype before or after. So, and first we have this one, and we also want to have the class full. So let's define that. Why I do this first? Because I want to have our definition more grouped in the similar, the area. So those are the first 4 lines, including all class the definition. But we mixing this relation because we use this relation, the statement to define array list. So not using the class keywords. So that is the thing is you can try to familiar. Or if you want to feel is more comfortable, use the class keywords for these 3 at the same time in the first group. Then is you can define this relationship afterwards. That will make your the diagram code is more readability, so readable. So now I can make a node. So well, after node you can make this pointing to the which object element and from the which direction. So first I see the foo. So node left. So once you have this define this right after, you can put this node. Then this on last defined class. So if you don't mention the class, you'd better is remove this empty line so that people, when they read this, this will apply to the latest or the last defined class. You cannot say node left and apply that to array list or object because they skip one of the last class. So this way, if you want to keep in the lazy way, I should say, so want to prevent enter more words, then you need to have some the strict, more strict way. So, but if you don't want to have this limitation, you want to just apply nodes to object, you need to have this class name to refer. So now is I should see is top using of, then it's refer to your class name. Then here is the object you have our nodes created. So in Java, every class, now you can use this /n to create a second line. So extends this one. So we have the general class, then it's in Java language is all the classes extends from this general. Now is we have the array list as our specialized. So and then we have this second one is as create our node and give a node our alias, and you can use this alias to the different nodes. So let's see. So node. This is our floating node as n1 because it's attached to nothing. So and you can create another one node. This node is connected. Let's use /n to several objects as n2. So let's create another one. So node, what we have is I will make. I think it's we just have that one. This is multiple lines node and connected for alias. So once we have that, is I will have the end node. And let's see. So S and 3. So is this also working? So let's see. So I will object attach dot attach n2. So our N2 doesn't put in here. So let's see what's the error. Note is not allow us to define this way. So let's have, let me see. Oh, I think it's this way. Actually, we will discuss in the next video. So we should put this node as N3 first, not in the last. So now you can see here is get back to working. So N2, now we connect to object without any the position. So it will be the automatically linked, and also we can put is the array list connect to N2. So now it's getting like our common one. But what's this difference? Because I put array list first, so array list is above the node 2. So if you want this is in the middle, so that is quite follow what's your code logic. So you put that array list after, then it's coming to this way. And also you can also make is the full connect to our N3. So you can see, so our N3 is here. So now it's connect to N3. And then this I can put this N3 connect to object. So now you can make this connection quite a lot, and also N3 connect to N1. So let's see. So what that means? So you can also connect a node to another node. So this is not our floating anymore. And then the N3. So let me just make that easy. So, but I show you is how you can make your connections between nodes and object, and between nodes and other nodes. So that is the connect to a floating node, and you can also connect your this N3 to N2. So as long as you have an alias, you can connect to them. So let's see. So N2. So where is this is our N2. So you also connect to this 2. And for the other nodes is node left. We don't have our name for that, so you will not connect to that. So let me see. Is nodes left? Whether I can. It's N0. No. So oh, this also not work. So here is you cannot use that because it will treat just as our name. So first is you should have this node. Then left is maybe I put this test. It's also not work. So let's stop on that. It's my diagram is complicated than this one, so you can compare to what the code to this reference guide code is with our additional testing. So with that is we finished this 3.9 nodes and the stereotypes. As I mentioned, is we tried this multi-line code with this syntax node and end node. Actually, we moved to the 3.10. We will talk about more nodes syntax, and we will show you is this way. So actually, it's here. So first you have node and give our alias. Then is you have the end node. Then you can start to use this as not our floating node. So if you want to connect that to somewhere. If you don't connect, they will be the floating. So see you in the 3.10. Then we talk about more on nodes. Bye for now.